Good morning! Shout out! This is Brit Pinay. Yes, so siguro magandang tanggalin natin yung ating mic, diba? Kasi pangit naman pag naka-display na mas malaki pa sa aking mukha. Yes, ang topic natin today, eto, talagang pinag-isipan ko talagang mabuti ito. So, our topic for today is about the cost of living here in the Philippines. Yeah, so I'll speak in English, Taglish, diba? So that people can understand. So that's the reason why they said it is cheap to move here in the Philippines. Actually, a lot of foreigners, mga pensioners, retirees, they wanted to move here in the Philippines because if it is true that it is really cheap to live here in the Philippines. Yeah, so a lot of people are living here. Actually, we got a lot of neighbors here. They are from, tagasan ba itong neighbors natin? One of my neighbors here are from Paris, France. We have an American neighbors there. Australian neighbors, British. Yeah, so a lot of them are living here near where we live. So, I will make this story short so that you will understand why they are saying Philippines is the cheapest cost of living. Actually, not really cheapest because I heard, sabi nila, meron din ibang country na cheap din naman yung the cost of living there is cheap. Una na dyan, ang country na yon is Indonesia, Malaysia. So, Asian countries kasi kami. We're Asian countries. So, a little bit cheaper. Thailand, I don't think so. I'm not sure. But, nasa list na nakalagay doon is Philippines, Indonesia, and then Malaysia. Yes, let me continue. Yeah. So, yan. Ipuput down na natin kung ano yung mga necessary things na mga pagkakagastusan natin. Yeah. The first is, of course, our electricity. Di ba? Electricity. Here in the Philippines, you can pay as much as 5,000 Philippine money. So that might be 90 US dollar. Or 66 pound UK money. And then, the water supply, some of us and many of us pay 1,000 Philippine money, so that is equivalent into 18 US dollar, and that is 14 pound UK money. And also, the next is the food. Of course, the food here is cheap. Fish, vegetable, rice, yeah, so it's cheap. So, at least you have 10,000 Philippine money, that would be enough for you. If you are a small family, for example, you, your wife, your 2 children, that would be enough. It depends on how many of you in the family. So, 10,000 peso, that would be enough. So, that is 179 US dollar a month. This is a month, guys, or 132 pound into UK money. That is 10,000 peso. That would be enough food for a month. 10,000. That would be enough. Yeah. And then, of course, the clothing. The clothing. For example, let's say 10,000 Philippine money. So, that might be 179 US dollars or 132 pound UK pound. So, all in all, the total is specify natin dyan. That is 26,096 Philippine money. All in all, the total in US dollar is 466 US dollar a month or 344 pound a month. So, you can survive living here in the Philippines. But that is not really the cheapest. It depends on you. How do you manage it? How do you budget it? Yeah? Because sometimes the electricity, less than 5,000 Philippine money, less than 90 US dollar or 66 pound, less than that. It depends on how do you use or consumable electricity per month. Yeah. So that is per month when you live here in the Philippines. So that is, masasabi mo bang luxury? Yeah, medyo nasa level on the middle. So as long as you have 466 US dollar, you can live here in the Philippines. But not including the rent. Yeah, not including the rent of the house. If you wanna rent a house, you can rent, but the rent of the house is cheap as well. So, that 400 or 400, let's say 500 US dollar a month for the rent of the house. That is a big, massive house with 3 bedroom. And in UK money, 344 pound, you can get a house. The nice house with 3 bedroom house here in the Philippines as well. So it depends. 500 pound a house, and then 466 US dollar. So it depends if you are renting. It depends on what kind of accommodation would you like. Is it a condominium? Is it a bungalow house? It depends on you. What would you like, guys? So let's say gusto nyo ng condominium. You can get a condominium as low as $500 a month or 344 UK pound. You can get small as that. Before, I remember when my husband was here in the Philippines, yeah, we rent a pod that is a semi-pod. So, the pod is just like, hindi siya condominium, just like a mini apartment, yeah. So, the cost of the pod is $90 per month or 66 UK pound per month. You can get a pod. Even now, you can get that price. As low as 5,000 Philippine money, you can get a pod or a house for rent or an apartment. So it depends on you if you want to rent a bigger home. But you can get 90 US dollar or 66 UK pound for a house rent in the Philippines. So that is cheap, right? That is cheap. You will not spend 1,000 pound when you live here in the Philippines. Let's say 500 pound for your house, electricity, water, food, and clothing. Let's say you have 500 pound. You can live here in the Philippines as cheap as that. You see? And also in America, US money, sabihin natin US money, yeah? So, let's say 500 or 600 US dollar, you can live here in the Philippines. Let's say 500. What is 500 US dollar, right? Here in the Philippines, that is a big money here in the Philippines. But, of course, for you, that is only, small only, yeah? You can get a house, you can pay electricity, water, food, and your clothing. So, it's cheaper, yeah? So, that's why a lot of people are living here in the Philippines. They choose to live here in the Philippines because it's really, really cheap for me. So, if I were you, you need to move in the Philippines. I encourage all of my friends, yeah, in the UK, in America, to move in the Philippines because it's cheaper to live here in the Philippines. Our neighbors, we have a neighbors there. He is married to a Filipina. He is from France. And then on this side, we have an American neighbors married to a Filipina. And they have a massive house there, a big house. Yeah. So, it depends on you if you wanted to retire here in the Philippines, if you want to buy a home, or if you want to just rent a house. So, it depends on you guys. So, that is our topic for today. The cheap cost of living here in the Philippines. Yeah, so that is depend on you. What kind of house would you like? Yeah, so once again, this is Brit Pina. Thank you. Thank you for watching my live. See you again on my next vlog. Thank you.